Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I shape my eyebrows at home. First, I just start with, I have the Sally Hansen wax strips and they come in a pack. I buy mine from Walmart. They're like $6 or $7 in pack, and you get like multiple sheets of wax strips. And I've already got one cut here that I used last time when I waxed my eyebrows. I usually have a smaller pair of scissors back here, but I literally just cut them and then to like the size that I need, because you know these are pretty big. You have to warm them in between your hands. I've got my little brush thing, so I usually just brush through them. Brush them up first, and then I'm going to take it. Okay, so open it like this, and so it's two-sided, so you can use this twice. So I just take it, you lay it down where you want to wax at, and pull. So then again, here's the other side. So to me, that already looks better. Now that I've got pretty much the majority on the bottom that I want to get on this eyebrow, I'm going to go ahead and brush those back into place, and then just go on the top. And I'll get the rest of the little smaller hairs that are closer to the brow later with some tweezers. Alright, so there's that brow. Alright, so now I'm going to take a bigger one. And I'm going to cut a bigger piece off of this one, about that thick probably. Yeah, I think it's about right. To do this bit right here. And for doing your the middle of your brows, you always want to pull down. That's the way your hair grows. And if you pull up, like obviously like your hair grows this way on this one and your hair grows this way on this one, well, that's why you pull this way, to get all of the hair out. And if you go up, nothing's gonna come off. And I can never get right in here with the wax strip, so I'm just gonna have to go in there with tweezers later on. Now I'm just going to go in with some tweezers. These are just little elf tweezers. I probably need some better ones, but they work just fine. So I use these to put on my eyelashes too. Again, and kind of brush it up. And then I don't have any eyebrow like scissors, So don't judge me. These are hair clipping scissors because they're definitely smaller than these. And so I just take this side of the brush and I go, well, let me show you this one right here. And I literally just take this and go up and I cut. Now, I don't cut them too short. I never cut them too short, but just enough. See, like they just, I feel like they just look better like that. So now I'm going to take a cotton pad, cotton square. And I got 2 out. So one is going to be for my witch hazel. And that, it just kind of helps to get any of that wax off, and then any of those hairs that might have stuck to your face. And so the Sally Hansen wax strips all come with a finishing oil, and I have like 10 of these because I never finish a whole bottle of them. But you just put a little bit on a cotton pad, and this just kind of helps with the redness. That way it won't be irritated. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. This is just how I do, like, wax my eyebrows at home. I don't do anything special. I hope I helped y'all, gave y'all some tips or whatever to start doing your eyebrows at home. It saves me a lot of money because literally I can use these strips for like months, and so it saves me a lot of money, that because I know I've got my eyebrows done a couple times and it's usually like $10 or $15, and this pack is like $6 or $7 at Walmart. And so anyway, my eyebrows are looking a little red obviously, but hope y'all enjoyed it, and I have a new vlog going up on Tuesday. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have a good rest of y'all's day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.